Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna answer a question or request, however you want to call it, about iPad 2 mini. This is one of those older versions. Let me put the exact, don't mind the paint here. It's one of those oldie ones, as you see right there. The model A1432, that's the model of this iPad, and this is probably one of the best designed iPads in my opinion for the minis. Well, the new ones are probably better, but you know, it's about the money sometimes. But if you have one of those laying around, as I was asked, is there anything that you can still do with them except for a few light games that are still accepted on it? There's this app right here, X Display, made by Splashtop, and what you want to do is go to your App Store or Apple Store and search for Splashtop. And when you go here to search, put Splashtop search, and it should come up as a first result. This one here is on mine coming second, the blue one that said Splashtop, wired, and all that stuff. I already downloaded it, and you just open it, and you come to this screen. After this is all done here, let's go to our computer. On a PC, I'm running Windows 10. 64-bit, go to this website right here, splashtop.com/wired X display. I'll leave a link in the description about it, and you download your version for PC. You can do as well for Mac, but in my case, you click to download for PC. As you see, I already have it. You install it. The installation is just one of those next thingies. Make sure you have iTunes. It's very important to have iTunes installed on your computer. After the app is installed, let me minimize that, open iTunes, and then open Splashtop itself. And this is Splashtop X Display Agent. It will open up here in a second. It's right here, and as you see, you can put the frame rate low, high. I leave it at normal, quality at normal. You can put it high if you want to, and then just grab a USB, connect it to your computer, and plug it into your tablet. And on your iPad, if you're connecting it for first time, it will ask, do you want to trust this computer, or do you trust this computer? Well, you click yes, and at this point we are done with iTunes, and set resolution is done. And if you want to add and change it here where you want to put it as extra monitor, you can do so. But in here at the tablet side or iPad side, click on the X Display app and wait for it to connect. And as you see right now, it's connected to my screen. And just to see it right here, and yes, I can go in here and do whatever you would do with a regular computer. You can zoom in, you put 2 fingers to move the screen around, which doesn't always work on mine somehow. And from here, as you see, I can use as I use on my computer screen, and I have it mirrored right now. I can mirror any of my 5 monitors in front of me, or you can disable the mirroring right here, and now this becomes as its own separate monitor. This is now a separate monitor with all its stuff. And just to show you, let me grab that browser that I had open, and let me slide it from here to here. As you see, we are now on this as a separate 6th monitor now for me. So yeah, these are beautiful to use as this one. What can you do, for example, on this tablet practically? What I would suggest you can do if you're a streamer or a gamer, and you know how you have those soundboards and sound effects on the side? Well, why not put this one as a 6th monitor and have your soundboard right here? And for example, you can go to myinstance.com, which is free, and you open myinstance.com. You can click, for example, let's say F11, and you have it full screen, as you see right here. And where's the slider here? And let's say you want to click one of them while you're live streaming or gaming, and you want to hit whatever, Taco Bell Pong, for example. And you heard it on video. It works perfect. And on the same way, You can put other stuff here. I'm just using soundboards as an example, but if you can put macro controls for video editing, you can put extras that you have on your streaming. You make this one as a non-streaming monitor, for example, on your OBS, and you put shortcuts to browsers, to different videos. You can do it as a preview video before you broadcast it to your OBS. And to me, this is just beautiful. I myself cannot say that these tablets are useless, even though a lot of apps don't work on them. But this is just perfect to do this job as an extra monitor. Here we go. Boom. You got mail. Well, I'm not a boomer, so never mind. So yeah, this is the beauty of this one right here, and it's just, I don't know why more people are not even talking about this to use it as extra display or whatnot, because it's a really beautiful machine. I wish now Apple gave us the option to upgrade it to at least version, I don't know, 10 or 15 or something, even though it might be slower, at least you get some apps. But Splashtop at least works on this one, and if you have one laying around, why not use it for this purpose? And no, it doesn't really require internet. It's connected via USB, and that's all. And now I have a 6th monitor in my hands. Granted, yes, it's a small one, but it does the job perfectly for what you need it. And with that said, I hope you learned something on this video. And before I go, yes, this channel has now memberships. And if you would like to join, I am really thankful in advance and humbled for having you as part of my memberships on this channel. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Bye!